The style that I did, and still do, may have been successful in crossing from Trinidad and Tobago. It is also true that the original form was also successful on an international level. It's just that what is happening is that the time has changed and there has been such a big gap between generations in the terms of successes that somewhere the generation in the middle was not able to identify with the success past, and they wasn't sure about the success in the future. So that belief was built somewhere around, like a lost generation, that they wasn't sure, and that belief was built there. But when you're talking about, we had songs like Rum and Coca-Cola, Feeling Hot, 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 and them songs was done in the original form and was international smash. Well, of course, Hot, 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 redone by Buster Poindexter, and then, you know, skyrocket. And then you still had Nigel and Marvin moving to the left, moving to the right, took over Europe, like, you know, and it was in its original form. But that time, that worked that time because the world was a more tolerating environment. You could bring your song the way it sounds like from home, and I will accept it because that's how the world was at that time. You're now in a more harsh environment, a more territorial environment. No. Yeah, you're from Jamaica, but if you're coming here in America, you need to dilute a little bit. Yeah, you're from Trinidad, dilute a little bit. Yeah, you're from America, but if you're coming here, we want a little dancehall flavor in it. Everyone kind of get, you know, defending their own real hard now. So the challenge comes now, how do you translate what you know over to them? And therefore you find fusions taking place. There are a lot of people against fusion, but I mean equally so, there are a lot of people for it. So what do you do in that case? You have to choose a side. And in most cases you choose the side that will work for you. In my case, the fusion works for me.